Basically, I had this gallstone for the last 5 years, but I didn't pay any much attention to it. For the last 1 year, I started having a little bit more problem, vomiting, then a lot of other problems, pains, etc. So, since we knew Dr. Ambedkar from before, uh, we said let's go and meet him. Let's check out what's actually going wrong. I didn't expect it to be such a major issue for me, so I came in pretty confident that doctor will do it. But once I landed here and once doctor explained to me how complex it's become and the issues that I'm facing, there was a little tension. Instead, not little, there was a lot of tension. I most of she was actually the one who was getting more tense because after hearing everything. But somewhere in my head it was, I have a perfect person right in front of me. He is very confident. Why should I lose my confidence?
It's been nearly 2020, if I'm not mistaken. That's been the year when my younger sister got operated by Dr. Sachin Ambedkar, and he's a miracle person. And there's less that I can really say. There's more to acknowledging the way he brings things to us, the way he explains, the way he builds confidence in us, and the way we look up to Dr. Ambedkar. Like, okay, if he says it's going to happen, means it's going to happen. So it's that kind of a feel that we felt, and rather I felt, when I met him in the year 2000 for my sister's operation. In Glenda's case, doctor had definitely shared with her the pros and cons of the surgery, because it was, the stone was a little big. Although Glenda was very confident, doctor was more than confident that he could definitely take it on, and Glenda would be the way she's is going to go in, she's going to come out the same way. His team have been really wonderful.
The team that was taking care of me, the nurses, or the helps, the support, they were all very good with me.
I would definitely, recommend the entire team of Dr. Sachin Ambedkar. A welcome which was unforgettable, and services which were wonderful. So, any and everyone who is definitely hearing me, anybody's looking forward to a good surgeon, it's Dr. Ambedkar, Sachin Ambedkar and his team. So that's a big, recommendation to the entire, Indian or even people that come from abroad, that if you're looking for a lovely surgeon, come to meet Dr. Sachin Ambedkar.